Nebraska, Missouri, Indiana, Oklahoma, and Kansas. Weather.com said much of the Northeast would see temperatures in the 90s, hit about 105 plus in Las Vegas. The devastating fire near Colorado Springs continues to grow. Even as the city began to assess the damage thus far, the threat to Boulder, Colorado now, from a separate fire, meanwhile, began to recede. They have been just inundated. More than 32,000 people in the Colorado Springs area had to lose and leave their homes. Mitch Battress, of course, for ChangesMedia.com. Mitch, I got to tell you, I cannot remember when it was this hot in the Midwest.
Well, that's because you weren't born yet. Well, first, let me say to the audience, this is very serious. I'm coaching a soccer team, called it the Little Sprouts, and some of the coaches canceled because the heat index came up to 107. So, yes, really, take this seriously. People die from this. Drink lots of water. Now, having said that, and what's happening now is very real, the last time that we've seen these temperatures, well, they are record breaks. The Earth, even the Earth, who might be listening now,